Good morning, dear students. Today in EVS class I am going to discuss about water shortage, conservation of water and another one topic. So all of you please open your EVS book, open page number 135 and watch the video very properly and also try to understand what I am discussing here. Dear students, last day I discussed about clean water, then drinking water, then water supply, then water cycle, isn't it? I hope you understood. Today our topic is water shortage. So let's start. See what written here. Dear students, water shortage means scarcity of water. Shortage means scarcity of water, means lack of water. Okay. See here written, most rivers in India are rain-fed rivers. Rain-fed rivers, you can say the rivers which feed by rain. Okay, they are the rivers who depend only on rain. Okay, when there is no rain, then the rivers will dry up. Okay, or dry. They are filled with rainwater. Means rain-fed rivers means the rivers filled with rainwater only. Okay, when there is no rain, these rivers dry up. Means whenever the rain is not there, then the river dry up. Okay. The water table, that is the level of water under the ground, also goes down. See, means underground level also there. No, suppose this is underground. Okay. Up to this much, suppose underground water. Okay. And up to this much and upper portion is the rainwater. Okay, this is rainwater. These are river. This is river. Okay. So underground water also there, no, but this is underground water. Okay. So below the rainwater, underground water also there. But when there is no rain, that means underground water also goes down. Okay. And after some time or after many time, this underground water also dry up. So the water this poses problems. This poses, you can say, this problem creates to people who live in the surrounding areas. Means the people who living the side of the area, side of the river or surrounding the river areas. They are the people, those who feel very problem about this happen. Okay. Some other reasons for water shortage are other reasons also there. See, the increasing population. Increasing population, if the population increase, if people increase more and more, then water shortage will be there, because if less population and rainwater is there and rain also there, that means this will adjusted by the people and the water. Okay. So according to their need, population need, they are getting sufficient amount of water. But if the population increase, if people increase in this world, or that means they will face the problem of scarcity of water or lack of water. So next is cutting down of trees. So cutting down of trees also important for the rain. Also important because our nature is highly affected by the cutting down of trees. We know that trees are providing what? Trees are providing air, no, to us. And when the pressure of air is high, okay, then only rain fall. So if there is no trees, then rain never will fall, air will not be pressurized, and rain will not fall in the earth. So this is another reason. Wastage of water due to careless use. So wastage of water means if you don't use carefully water, then it will be problem. It will be creates many problems. Okay, water shortage problem means how much we need. We have to use only this much water. Okay, this is another reason. And last reason is pollution of water. Pollution of water, you can say pollution of water means sometimes we our wastage, our house wastage throw to the water bodies. Sometimes we wash our clothes, etc., etc. And sometimes animals also bath on the water bodies, in the water bodies, and other ways also there due to which water is polluted. So this is the another reason for the water shortage. Okay, if the water is polluted, then they will not useful. Okay, use as our use to our household work. This is the so this is the problem. Next point is conservation of water. Conservation of water, you can say the act of using water means correctly or efficiently. Okay, means carefully. Okay, conservation of water. Water is invaluable. Invaluable, you can say most valuable thing is the most precious thing is the water. Okay, so we should use it wisely. Means very carefully we have to use the water. Water conservation is the process of making use of water carefully. I told you no. Water conservation means the process of water, process of making use of water is water carefully. This is called water conservation of water. Means we have to use water very carefully. This is called water conservation of water. Here are some important ways in which we can do so. So go to next page, and here you can see how we should conserve, we should be careful about the use of water. Now, number one is keep the tap closed when you brush your teeth. Means you have to close the tap. See, one boy, see, this is not good. This is not used carefully. Okay, so we never do like this. Always we close the tap when we brush our teeth. Okay, otherwise water will be wasted. Avoid taking a shower and use bucket to have a bath. So this is, see, bucket is there, but tap is on. Okay, tap is turned on. That means water is falling, and whenever bucket will be full, then they will fall down. Water will fall down. So this is not good. Whenever how much you need, you have to use only this much. Okay, next is get leaking pipes and taps repaired by a plumber. Whenever our house connection or house pipe leakage, any leakage is there, or any types of problem is there in the tap or pipes, that time we have to call plumber to repair this. Plumber's work is this, to repair the pipe leakage, etc. Plant one sapling every day. This is you can say sapling. Okay, so plant one sapling every day. This will be helpful in water conservation. Plant one sapling every day. You can say means we have to plant at least one plant every day. See, the girl is means giving water or not wasting the water bottles. Water means remaining water there, no, remains water or leftover water is there in the bottle, and he is giving this plant. So this is not wastage. This is doing very good work. Okay, the girl is doing very good work, and plants in this way plants also get water, and we not waste the water also. Next is try to use the method of rainwater harvesting to store rainwater. Rainwater harvesting means storing of rainwater. Means every time is not rain is not will not fall, no. So that time whenever there is no rain, we have to use our storing water. Whenever rain is there, we have to store this water. Sometimes we use underground tank. Sometimes we use another big tank. Okay, and sometimes we use any reservoir to store water. So this is good for whenever there is no rain. That time this is very useful. Do not throw water left in your water bottle. See, do not left water in the water bottle. If there is water is there, that times you have to, or we have to give to any one of the plant anywhere. But used to water the plants. Used to water the plants. Next is, instead of using a hose pipe you can say big pipe. I told you in class, in offline class, that hose pipe is used to put out fire. So instead of this hose pipe is carrying big amount of water, more water. So instead of this this hose pipe, use a bucket and a mug to clean scooters and cars. So using of this do not use this pipe. Instead of this pipe, you can use or we can use a bucket. This is bucket and this is mug to clean scooters, cars, etc., etc. See, one girl is brushing her teeth but closing the tap. Okay, this is good. And this is not good. This is good and this is also not good. Okay. Now see, water storing and saving water means how to store water, how to save water. There are many ways in which water can be stored for use in future. In future we can use rainwater if we store earlier. Okay, when there is availability of rain, that time we can store the rainwater and we can use it in future. When we store water, we must remember a few things. So we have to remember some things. See what written. These have been listed below. These are the remembering things for water for us. We should use clean containers to store water. That day I also told that we have to store water in a clean container. Okay. Otherwise, it will be not fit for our household activities or household use. Containers used for storing water should be covered properly. This is also very necessary. Wherever we store the water, we have to cover the container, wherever we store it, we have to cover it. If it is underground tank, then also we have to cover the tank. Containers need to be cleaned regularly. So whenever we store the water, we have to cover it, we have to clean it regularly. It may be a tank, it may be reservoir, it may be a container. Okay. We should use a clean mug to take out water from a container. We have to use a clean mug to take out water. Otherwise, germ will go or mix in the water and it will harmful for our health. So this is the chapter. I hope you understood. You have to learn this word meaning and recap also you have to read. Okay.